After the devastating Pahalgam attack and India's high voltage military response in the form of Operation Sindoor, Bollywood came alive with post, tributes, and emotional reactions. Actors like Akshay Kumar, Kangana Ranaut, and many others poured their hearts out in support of the armed forces and condemned the terror strikes in no uncertain terms. But amid this loud chorus, one thing was deafeningly silent: the voices of Bollywood's biggest superstars, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, and Amir Khan. During Operation Sindoor and India's retaliation against Pakistan, none of the three Khans made a single post or statement, not a word, not a tweet, not an image. Their silence didn't go unnoticed. And interestingly, during the Pahalgam attack earlier, Amir Khan skipped the special screening of his re-released cult classic Andaz Apna Apna as a mark of grief. Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan also shared posts mourning the loss of lives, but when it came to India's offensive response through Operation Sindoor, their social media feeds remained blank. No words of solidarity, no condemnation of terrorism, and no mention of the soldiers or the mission. And then came the ceasefire announcement. Salman Khan broke his silence with the post, "Thank God for the ceasefire." But the post didn't stay long. Within minutes, it was deleted, sparking a fresh wave of trolling, criticism, and question. And now, veteran lyricist and writer Javed Akhtar has addressed the elephant in the room: the silence of Bollywood. Javed Akhtar spoke but didn't take names directly, but many believes he was indirectly referring to the Khans and others in the film industry. Javed Akhtar said Meryl Streep gave a statement against the US government, but there was no income tax raid on her. He added, "Whether this insecurity is real or not, I don't want to get into that debate. But the perception exists. If this fear is in one's heart, they will worry about the ED, the CBI, and income tax raid, that their files will be opened and they will be investigated." He said, he empathizes with the members of the film fraternity who choose not to speak out against the establishment. So, according to Javed Akhtar, Bollywood is often slammed for staying silent, but their silence isn't without reason. He clarified they may be in the same industry, but they live in the same society. They operate like ordinary people. There is just more dhoom dam in this profession. And then he added a line that says it all: "I might be often one of the few voices speaking up, but I understand why others might not." Javed Akhtar's observations aren't limited to just political silence. He also talked about facing trolls for his outspoken views. In another interview, he said, "Yes, absolutely. Even my friend says, 'Let it be. Why do you want to get into it? You are above all things. Forgive me for my immodesty. I mostly feel about this, but sometimes you have to come down and tell them that no, you can't take this liberty, and if you will, I'll pay you back in the same coins." So was Javed Akhtar subtly calling out Bollywood's A-lister, particularly the Khans? Did he point out at the fearful silence that looms over an industry constantly watched, raided, and trolled? His words have once again sparked a debate. Is Bollywood afraid of the establishment, or is it just choosing peace over politics? So, in an industry where even silence speaks volumes, Javed Akhtar's voice has once again stirred the pot. Now, what do you think about Khans? Three of them. Do let us know in the comments section, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.